Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
I know what you're thinking. Vegan curry goat. How's this gonna pattern? We got sweet potato, normal potato, Scotch bonnet, all-purpose seasoning. We got scallion, we got onion, we got thyme, we got allspice, because they ain't got pimentos at PAX, man. I was livid. Garlic. Now the tofu. Now listen, hear me out. Tofu gives that chew and the texture of meat, and it's lovely. Honestly, by the end of this, you won't want goat again. You won't want mutton again. Hit the like, subscribe, do your thing. Now what we're going to do, we're going to keep these nice and big, nice and heavy. God, these will shrink down when you cook them, it's long. So you want them nice and big, hot, couple inches of oil. Check it, it's not hot yet, it's not ready yet. Get yourself some paper towel ready. As soon as it's wet like that, look. Sizzle, sizzle, baby. This will take about 10 minutes. This is how you cook tofu, blood. It's going to give it that chew, that crunch, that texture, that lovely bit you're going to be missing. Trust me, the sweet potato is going to sweet up like the mutton, and the potato and the Scotch bonnet. Trust me, it's exactly like curry goat or mutton. Same flavour. Just vegan, innit? Like, get out your pram, innit? Don't dash your toys out the pram. Just because you know you're a meat eater. Meat lovers should try this now and again, innit? Try it now and again. You just want to flip these till they see it. Like an oldie hardy woman, blood, man's cooking with a fork, blood, like my nan. Just flip them over. Flipper. Just make sure they're coated. Follow on Instagram, of course. You know the stays, blood. It's a curry goat and rice. How to cook rice perfectly is following. Now, once they're golden like that, see them there? They're going crispy. Just dig them out, put them on your cloth. That just removes bare fat. You don't want fatty tofu, man. See it there? Look crunchy on the outside, bouncy in the middle. Oh my gosh. Blood, this is incredible. Now we're gonna make the curry. Grab yourself a bowl. So we're gonna get dashed in sweet potato, mimicking the sweetness of mutton. Mutton is a sweet meat, blood. We're going to just mimic that. Sweet potato. It's all going to disintegrate and go nice. Going to thicken up your gravy. Oh, garlic. Boom. See the editing skills. Onion. Bang. Yes, man. Man's coming along still. Now, normal potato. I've used red skins. You can use any white potato you please. It's up to you, innit? You're just going to skin them. Chop them nice and big. Bang them in there. Scallion. Make sure there's no sand in there, and then boom, just rough, bang them in there. Scotch bonnet, save that for later. Big pan, little oil, veg in there, sizzle. Now we're gonna come behind with the spices in 2 seconds. Just break up the onion, break up the spice. Now curry powder, see it there? Allspice, see it there? 1 tablespoon curry powder, teaspoon of allspice, tablespoon of yes, thyme, all purpose. We're smashing it, boiling water. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Cooking is a thing. Yes. If you didn't notice, that's a stock pot. No, shout me out. And then you got a Scotch bonnet just simmering away in there. Just let that incorporate. Don't squash it, don't mash it. It will disintegrate on its own, and it's going to be lovely. Now, the curry has reduced beyond the powers of the big pan. So we'll transfer it to a smaller pan. See how it's just floating now? Oh my days, look at it. Thick, lid on, lid off, don't matter. Bang your tofu in there. Oh, it's so peng. Honestly, if I was at a function or whatever, and I knew this tofu tasted this good, I would pick it over the goat and mutton every time. I swear down on everything, blood. Little rice in a mould. I'm just going to spoon that on. Look on this something, blood. You got the thyme, you got the Scotch bonnet. See the flecks of the spice in there. Something not green in it. Something turn up in a brethren. No chat no nonsense about vegan this and vegan that. Ital is vital, my youth. 2-3 days a week you want to eat this just something, no meat pan the seat. Yeah, man, look on this something, blood. I'm telling you, man, it's sick. Don't at me. Oh my gosh. Yo, thanks for watching. I love you lot. Don't forget, left, watch a video, middle, subscribe, bloody. right playlist. Love you lot. Bye.